Little POV drop in the noche, in the nighttime. I know y'all see that check engine. Welcome back. Hold on, bro. I feel these people staring at me. I don't know. I feel subconscious. I feel my subconscious. Welcome back, YouTube, to another POV, man. I know I didn't upload yesterday. Wait, did I? No, I think I did. I did upload yesterday. Today's upload, man, it's 4th of July. We got people blowing fireworks. Alright, ouch. Where's one of them? It's 4th of July, man. I hope y'all having a good 4th of July. I hope y'all having a lot of fireworks. I know there's a lot of distortion because of the windows down, but I want the windows down so y'all can see all the fireworks, if y'all can see them. So I'm not gonna talk no more. If y'all do like my POVs, man, like and subscribe. We on the road to 400, right? We going. Damn, I'm stuttering. We gonna get 400 subscribers. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Ouch, ouch, so bumpy. If I didn't know, my check engine, I got a check engine because my O2 sensor. I hope me driving in Sport Plus is not gonna ruin anything. Bro, look at this big bag of candy my sister got me. Bro, she wants to give me cavities, bro. What is this? We still eating them though. They're good. Let's go to the next light. Let's drive around a little bit. I don't know if it's anything too high. Gradually. Damn, bro. These airheads are mad gummy. Yeah, man, I hope you're having a good day. I know a lot of y'all are. And if you're not, man, better days to come. Always look at the positive. Don't ever look at the negative. And I feel like that really put me into perspective this weekend. I'm about to get motivational over here, bro. I just left church right now, and I'm a religious man myself, and I'm nowhere near perfect. I'm not the perfect person, I'm not a perfect role model. I do believe in God. There's better examples out there. We all on our own path. But I've been having a lot of issues lately. I'm not gonna get into it, just issues in general. And damn, it's a cop. Right in the middle of the road. And I feel like, God. Hold on, bro. This cop is making me nervous. The cop was making me nervous, bro. I had to get out of the way. But like I was saying, man, I feel like, how do I put this in words? Cause like I felt the exact words come out my mouth when I was in church, but I feel like sometimes we can view stuff as negative, but damn, bro, hold up, let me cut this video real quick. What I was trying to say was that sometimes we may feel like we're in negative situations, or we're not going down the right path, or we just keep getting like bad stuff just keep happening to us, right? But in the long run, God has something better for us, and He's doing stuff we wouldn't do for ourselves. I don't know how to explain it, bro. It's like you hear a voice in your head, right? And it just basically just clears a message, or it gives you an answer. Damn, bro, I almost swerved out. It gives you an answer you've been asking, and you just get an answer to it. It don't have to be in church, it should be anywhere. I don't know if y'all have experienced that, bro. It's probably God. Yeah, man, I'm trying to express the experience I had, but it's not really coming out, bro. I don't know how to explain it. Because it's like, in the moment, it came out, I understood it so clearly. Damn, bro. Bright lights. But yeah, man. To put into small words, man, if you, nothing going right for you right now, and, you know, better days to come. I feel like it's just so cliche to say like, you know, better days to come, but we can't view the negative, you know. We can only view the positive, or ways to fix what we see as negative, you know what I mean? You know, you got issues going on, you know, an issue pops up, damn, bro's in that nose. You got stuff going on, man. Don't think of the negative. Don't get sad, don't get upset, don't get mad, don't lash out on people, man. Think of how you can fix the problem. And I feel like I've been going through that a lot lately, you know. Releasing my emotions on people that there's no need to. Bro, that car's on my butt.